What's up, guys? Welcome back to Fish Over Chicks Woodworking. My name is Peter, and today we are going over 5 projects that you can make for your kitchen. All 5 of these projects are either things that I made specifically for my kitchen or things I had in my kitchen, and I was like, you know what? I could make that out of wood, and it could be cleaner, cooler, and just look nice because things out of wood look nicer. That's why we do woodworking, right? So anyways, without further ado, let's get into them. Guys, we're going to take a quick break from today's video to thank our sponsor, Grillaholics. Grillaholics is your one-stop shop for all of your grilling needs, and they sent me and John a few things we have to say we're super impressed. They sent us the stuffed burger press, which is basically the perfect way to stuff your burger with whatever you want. We stuffed it with cheese today, and then we topped it off with their salt, pepper, and garlic seasoning, and it was absolutely amazing. One of the best burgers we ever had, so we made another, but this time we tried with the salt, pepper, garlic, and butter seasoning, and it was even better. Go ahead, check out Grillaholics. The link will be in the description, and make sure you use our discount code FOC for 20% off anything on their site. Back to the video. Let's go. So the first project we're talking about is a spice rack. This was made out of like a few pieces of scrap 1x3s. As you can see, it's about 3 inches wide there. I mean, it's a really simple project. We just threw all them together. We did some rabbits here, and then we made some dados there for the top shelf, and then just glued these thin pieces on there just to make sure that these aren't going to fall out. Holds like 11 or 12 spices depending on how big your spices are. These ones are all different sizes, and it fits them all perfectly. So it's a really great project, and it was made with scrap wood. This next one is actually one of my best-selling products in the past month. This is a cutting board. Yes, obviously everyone talks about cutting boards, but what's special about this and what makes this cutting board sell really well is that it's one solid piece. So this is just one solid piece of cherry that was about 9 inches wide when I got it. Of course, it was like 9 feet tall, but 9 inches wide. Basically, all I had to do was cut it down to 12 inches, and then I had to joint it, make it nice. So it's about 8.5 inches by 12 inches, and then of course plane it down, make it nice and flat. And then I cut these juice screws in there, and people really love these, especially on Etsy. That's where I've been selling these a lot lately. These, it's one solid piece of wood. It's not going to crack. It's not really going to warp either because it's just one very sturdy and pretty heavy piece of wood. So these are another great project for a kitchen. Yeah, really great seller. I will do a video later talking about my top selling products, and this is definitely one of them. Next product we've got here is a knife block holder. This is actually one that we did a video about a little bit ago, so if you want to learn how to make this one yourself, click on that video. So it holds 4 knives up top there, and it's at this nice angle, which I think makes it look really sleek. And this is made out of walnut. Again, really not much wood at all. Wasn't scrap wood because it did take, you know, a little bit more wood than just the scraps I had, but it is a very simple project to make, and it's not a lot of wood, so it's very inexpensive, and it's really sleek. I mean, the knives just slide in and out there. Really nice project, and it looks very professional. And if you want to learn how to make it, like I said, click on one of these corners up here and learn how to make this knife holder. So this next project, I actually made it out of necessity because we did have a paper towel holder and it broke, and I was like, oh, I could just make one out of wood. So this is maple, very simple. Basically, I just cut this 5x5 inch square piece on the bottom, and then I think this is 12 inches. I can't exactly remember how tall this is, but I rounded all the edges and just glued it together. Didn't use anything else besides glue. You could put a screw if you want, but it's been completely fine. Just hold it, rip it. Paper towels holder. It's amazing. Very simple project. The next one we're talking about, along the same lines as a paper towel holder, it is a napkin holder. Very simple, just a few pieces of cedar that I put together, and on the bottom here, you can see I cut dados right there on the bottom of the table saw, slid that small piece of wood in there, and bang, napkin holder. Very simple, very easy project, and yeah, great for your kitchen. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please like, comment, subscribe. We got all 5 projects here. Comment down below which one is your favorite, and if you're going to try any of them. We'd love to hear that. As always, comment down below any other videos you'd like me and John to make. We'd be more than happy to make them. Big thanks again to Grillaholics, our sponsor for this video. That link will be in the description in case you guys want to get yourself any of their gear. But until next time, thank you so much for watching.